Welcome guys to the Handy Retter. My name is Roland, and if you have a weak battery in your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, I will show you today how you can exchange the battery on this device. Let's go. First of all, I will show you what tools I will use in this video. So we need alcohol for opening the device. I will heat it up on this mat about 5 minutes on 70 degrees. Then we will need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a tweezer, a thin metal piece, and a thin plastic card, let's say. So for the video I choose 80 degrees to be a little bit more faster. You can set up on this mat. This is a heating mat. You can work on this area. And you see this area is heating up. You can buy this mat as well in our online shop. We will heat it up now for around 4 minutes on 70 to 80, that's fine. And then we'll do the first step to open the back cover. We're using alcohol. I put some drops between the frame and the back cover, especially where I will enter with the with the metal piece. I go directly between back cover and the frame, lift it up a little bit, and then I will use, not to damage the color of the back cover, a small plastic card to go from behind. And now it's important as well to put some more alcohol on the plastic piece, on the plastic card. And now just go around, try to open it like this. For the next step, you will need a screwdriver and a tweezer. I will remove all the screws. And now we lift up the plastic top part. Here you find attached directly the earpiece. And that's the battery connector. In this step I'll show you how you can remove the battery. Heat up the device again in 70 degrees. You need some heat, I did it already. And then you can just pull on this stripe to remove the battery. Now you can exchange your used battery with a new battery. I will put mine back. Connect first the big flex cable, after that the battery. And put back the screws. And now, heat up your back cover again and place it back to the housing. We showed you how you can exchange your battery of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. I hope we could help you with this video to exchange your battery. If we could help you, you can help us as well and subscribe us. It helps us really much. And if you have questions about the repair, You can just write them below in the comments and we will try to answer all of them as soon as possible. So then see you in the next video. We are out.